Hello, this is Mrs. Onko, and I'm here to show you how to access ebooks and how to open them up and read them, and just some different things you can do with ebooks online. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Castleberry website. Once you get there, you will choose Libraries and then choose Irma Marsh from the drop up, I guess. Anyway, click on Irma Marsh Middle School Library. Once you're here, you'll go over to the menu and click on the catalog, first one. When you get to the catalog, you can see the login in the top right, and whether you get to the Destiny Discover interface or the Destiny Quest, you still log in the top right. Click Login. For students, you will use your lunch number as your username and your password, so it's the same thing. Teachers, you can see me for your username and passwords. We have a different way of doing it, or different passwords. Hit Submit once you've entered your lunch numbers. And this is the Destiny Discover page, and it has our regular books and popular titles. If you go down to about the fourth bar, so first we have recently added, then popular titles. These are real books. And if you go down after the search by topic icons, you go down to the ebooks and the audiobooks. You can see what we have there. So it says we have 1,077 ebooks and 51 audiobooks, which are the ones you listen to. So you can click on any of these and open them up and look at them. If they have this little blue symbol right here, the sideways 8 is called the infinity symbol, and you can see it says here unlimited. That means that everyone in the whole district can check it out. So this is really good if you and your friend want to check out the same book at the same time, or if teachers would like to use it in class. This is really great. Even the whole grade levels can use it. The whole district could use it if they really want to. But that's what that little symbol means. If it's just a single checkout book, it's going to have, if it's here, it's going to be green and it's going to say in. That means you can check out this one if you would like to. If it's red like this one, it is checked out and you cannot check that one out. These are not available right now if they do not have either this, or this on the corner. Here are audiobooks that you can listen to. They are really good. I really recommend audiobooks. So let's just click on See All 1077, and it'll take us to a new page. You can, if you know what you're looking for, you can search for it right up here. You can also search by filtering. You can do it by availability, author, subject, format. Any of these any of these filters you can use. I'm just going to put in Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and you can see a lot of things come out. We're going to go to Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and we have all the Wimpy Kids except the last one, I think. But we have them. And if you see one you want, you can click on it and open it. You can check it out. You can favorite it, or you can start a collection and add it to the collection. It has all the information about it here, the reading levels, when it was published, who wrote it. Just go ahead and click on Open. And I checked out this one before because it always goes back to the page you last left it on. So you don't even have to remember what page you last read it, because it'll automatically save it for you even if you turn it back in. So let's go to the front. I want you to see that these books look just like regular books. They've got a cover. They've got all the beginning pages, the title page and the dedication page and the publication page are all here, even the blank pages, just like a regular book. Anything the real book has, this book is going to have. You can bookmark if you want to save a particular page. The next option are the display options, that capital A and the little a. And there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. You can fit it to the height or fit it to the width of the screen if you want to. You can have it in a one-page layout, or if you want it to look like a real book, you can have it in the two-page layout. See? That's the two-page layout. You can change the background if you want to sepia or black. If you want a nice contrast there, you can do that. So those are all things you can do in the display options. Under the book itself, you can actually check it out from here. You can do a search if you want to. So let's say snow. So this will bring up every single mention of the word snow in the book. So if you wanted to remember a particular point and you couldn't remember where it was, if you remember some of the language or some of the words, you can find it pretty quickly. So that is kind of neat, that search. You can't do that with a regular book. So back to book. The table of contents is available for you, and it shows thumbnails for the table of contents. You can go straight to those pages. You can print pages, view title information. Lots of things you can do there. And in the notebook, this is where you can take notes. So you just click on the X and you type in a little note. This is a great book. You give it a tag and then hit save, and it will save it for you. And it tells you what page you saved and any notes that you have. It will do that for you. I'm going to delete it. Yes. See, it did make a little red note up there to let you know that you did it. Anyway, that's some of the things you can do with our ebook. Let's check it out. So we'll check it out. It's checked out. Now you do not have to worry about the due date. You get it for 2 weeks, but it'll turn itself back in. So you can't damage these. You can't get a late fee. It's a real safe way to check out a book.